Amor. Amor is you, Amor is me. So let's spread little love during this New Year season. Your pal is back with another video. So if you are following me for the longest time, you might know that I have started a series where I talk about like how to apply eyelashes in a beginner friendly way and how to apply eyeliner. So this is the third video of that series where I will tell you like how to apply the mascara in a very easy way, like how you gonna choose your mascara and how you gonna like apply the mascara in a very easy way. So Amors, it is very important to apply the mascara in a correct way. So ऐसे तो pictures में उतना पता नहीं चलता है, but when a person is standing in front of you, तो वो पूरा visible होता है और वो पूरा clumsy लगता है. That you don't want ना. So what I feel is that wearing a mascara is totally a game changer. Like it will widely open your eyes. Like if you have a small little eyes, then it will open up like. और जिनके तो बड़े आईज है, जिनके नेचुरल आई लैशेस बहुत अच्छे फुलर आई लैशेस है, उनके लिए तो वो लाइक इट विल लाइक एनहांस इट्स फीचर. सो टुडे आई विल गोना शेयर यू सम लिटिल टिप्स एंड ट्रिक्स like what I have learned during the course of like applying the mascara. So I hope this will help you out. If you like my video, don't forget to give us like button and do share and subscribe to my channel. It will mean a lot to me. So now let's get started. So almost there's so many different types of mascara. Like wands भी बहुत सारे different होते हैं. I don't have like so many mascaras, but I have 6 to 7, which is like I have been using it for quite a few time. I will be showing you 2 or 3 different type of mascaras. Color Essence mascara. This was my first ever mascara I had, and I loved it, and it has now dried up. So there are different type of wands. You have to select which wand that you need. So this wand is little different. Like whatever I've seen till now, this is little different. So you can see the curve. This is a Color Essence mascara. So one thing what you need to remember with the mascara is that you don't pile up lot of mascaras because they will dry up. This type of wand helps to apply your mascara very smoothly. Like lower lash line में इसको बहुत अच्छे से लगा सकते हो ना. Bristles are not so harsh. ये बहुत soft है इसके bristles. This is one of my favorite mascara. You can go for it. Like they are 300 या 400 के अंदर में है. You can try it. So another wand I am gonna show you is that this is my favorite mascara. All like बहुत जन को The Lash Sensational बहुत पसंद है. But I love Wet n Wild का this Max Fantic Cat Eye Mascara. I love. See. Look at its wand. See. So this is little curved. ये ऐसे करके slant होके आता है. Like नीचे से बहुत curvy है और ऊपर में it's like इसके जो bristles है, you can see that. So they are little smaller and over here यहाँ पर पूरा flat है. Little curved है and little small. It will help you to apply. लोअर लैश लाइन में इसको लगाने में बहुत इजी होगा. एंड ऑल्सो आई विल शो यू वन मोर मस्कारा जो डिफरेंट है. Look at this. So this is very popular among YouTubers and people. Like everybody like this mascara, and Maybelline Essence and Wet n Wild are very good with their mascara. I love their mascaras. So you can see there is curve over here and there is little bristles over there, and these bristles are not so sharp. There are few mascaras, trust me, जिसके जो bristles होते हैं, जिसके जो brushes होते हैं, वो आपके eyes में ना poke करते हैं. Those I hate them a lot. So after choosing your wand, your next step will be applying your mascara. So first of all, you have to prepare your eyelashes, right? For that, you will be needing a eyelash curler like this. This is a Miniso eyelash curler. So if you're a beginner, you have to be very careful with it. Like you don't want to hurt your eyes. So look down and in the middle, like taking it in the middle and just curl it up. Look up. So make sure you are very close to your eyelashes, and then you are just, what it will do now, it will instantly open up your eyelashes and it will help your mascaras to coat well. Do it 2 to 3 times. Like I do it 3 to 4 times. If I don't have time, I do it like twice, and if I have a little more time, I do it like 3 to 4 times. So one more tip which I want to share with you is that what I do is that if you have a dryer, what you do is that you just heat this rubber, okay, and then what you do is that you just curl it. ऐसा नहीं है कि ये rubber melt हो जाएगा, बिल्कुल नहीं, because वो जो dryer का heat है वो उतना ज़्यादा नहीं होता है. So what it will do now, your eyelashes will stay a little longer. Like ये जो curved है ये थोड़ा little longer थोड़ा stay करेगा. So after curling your eyes, your next step is that applying your mascara. We have seen that people doing like this with their products. Don't do that because जो air है वो उसके अंदर घुस जाएगा and what will it do is that कि आपका जो product है वो dry out हो जाता है बहुत जल्दी. But I have also seen that कि तुरंत ही वो नया मस्करा है and it will dry out and कुछ भी नहीं use होगा and it will like clumsy हो जाएगा and will of no use. So what you have to do is that you have to take it out slowly and जो excess है, whatever excess is there, you have to clean it. Like you don't want कि आपका जो eyelashes में है, it look clumsy. Just rub the excess. Then what you have to do is that you have to look down, starting from the middle. Just roll it up. So what I like about this mascara is that it's so natural and it will not like look that as if I am wearing something. So just a little. And also this wand helps me to apply the mascara like very neatly. And also make sure that you do not wiggle it much. Like don't wiggle this product like this zigzag motion में ज़्यादा मत करना because थोड़ा clumsy हो सकता है. What will it do is that कि जो excess product है वो आपके eyes में transfer हो सकता है ज़्यादा. So you have to wiggle it but slowly. And with the front portion you can see there is a little hair over here. So what with that I will be applying it in the front section. One more thing that I want to share is that you make sure that you are applying the mascara from the eye band. Like over here you can see the eye band. So when you pull it, you see that you are going closer to it. So here I am holding a mirror in a hand, so that's why I cannot do like this. But if you have a mirror in front, then what you have to do is that you have to just pull it and then you have to do it like this. Make sure that you are very close to your eye band. You can see the difference. Only with one coat it will just widely open your eyes. And with the front section, with this part, I am going close to the front. So one more thing I want to share is that if you find that some of the mascara has been transferred to your eyelid, make sure that it dries out and then you have to just scrape it down and it will come out easily. So I will show you once it gets dries out. So in the lower lash line, what I will do is that I will pull my eyes down and then with the front section, so I don't have much hair in my lower lash line, like there could be बहुत ही कम eyelashes है. So make sure that you look down. You can see that there are little brushes over here. You have to comb it. So now you can see that there is little fallout over here. What I will do is that I will clean it. So don't clean it with a wet tissue. It is a dry tissue, or you can clean it with earbud. Have patience and just wait it to get dry and just scrape it down slowly. So if you are going to office or if you are going to somewhere like you don't want that you are wearing lots and lots of makeup, so this is what you can apply. And I generally don't like heavy clumsy mascaras. Like I like my mascaras to be little light and it will just open up my eyes and will look little natural, and I just want it to be in a very easy way. So you can see that only a one coat of good mascara can help you out with a very opened up eye look. This is why I love to apply mascara. So I hope you're gonna like this video. If you like my video, don't forget to give a thumbs up and do share and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to press the notification bell so that you can get notification whenever I post a video. Till then, take care, miss you, love you. Bye.